The human canary, video 23, Kratom. It is a common and widely accepted myth that natural dietary supplements are harmless. An over-the-counter herbal drug called Kratom has been linked to almost 100 deaths in recent years, US federal health officials say. Its active ingredient is the alkaloid mitragynine, which when consumed can produce stimulant effects in low doses and some opioid-like effects at higher doses. On January the 6th, 2016, the US FDA announced that US Marshals, at the agent's request, seized nearly 90,000 bottles of dietary supplements labelled as containing Kratom. The product, manufactured for and held by Dordanitz Natural Products LLC, located in South Beloit, Illinois, was marketed under the brand name Relax Pro and worth more than $400,000 US. The product was marketed as relaxation in a bottle. Mitragyna speciosa, commonly known as Kratom, is a botanical substance that grows naturally in Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. Serious concerns exist regarding the toxicity of Kratom in multiple organ systems. During 2011 to 2017, the National Poison Center reporting database documented 1,807 calls about Kratom exposure, and the number of caustic calls is increasing rapidly. Consumption of Kratom can lead to a number of health impacts, including, amongst others, respiratory depression, vomiting, nervousness, weight loss, and constipation. Kratom has been indicated to have both narcotic and stimulant-like effects, and withdrawal symptoms may include hostility, aggression, aggressive tearing, aching of muscles and bones, and jerky limb movement. Kratom use has markedly increased in popularity in the United States in recent years, the CDC says, though it is not scheduled as a controlled substance. The FDA has warned about its use in the past, and the Drug Enforcement Administration has identified Kratom as a drug of concern. It is often marketed in the West as a herbal or dietary supplement, and commonly used in preparations of tea to ease pain, coughs, opioid withdrawal, and give a sense of well-being. In Southeast Asia, it is often used as a recreational drug amongst the poor, due to its low cost and widespread availability. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more about the myths and corruption surrounding medicine. It's a little image of a Neanderthal on the bottom right of your screen. Also, please indicate whether you like or dislike this video. Thank you.